Alrighty, guys, we went ahead and replaced 5 of these screen panels, 4 of them on the top wall and 1 on the lower wall. This is one of the panels we went ahead and took care of. Yes, sir. Nice and tight. And we also went ahead and took care of this one as well. Yes, sir. Nice and tight. Yes, sir. And we also went ahead and took care of this one as well. Top and bottom. Yes, sir. Nice and tight. Give us a call for all your screen needs. 561-567-5241. Yes, sir. And we also took care of this one as well. Yes, sir. Let's get those screens repaired. Give us a call. 561-567-5241. Yes, sir.